Alright guys, we tournament fishing at Mantua. Second fish of the day. This should put us right around 28 inches. Not bad for the first half an hour. Let's go. Oh my goodness, I'm so stoked. That was gonna score or not. That one might score. Just might score. Score. That'll score. Yeah. Oh, that might be the biggest of the day. Oh, shit. All right, guys, tournament day, biggest of the day, biggest of the whole weekend. 16 3/4. Should keep me in the top 5 for now. I gotta find some bigger fish. But let's go, man. Super fun time out here at Mantua. Oh man, freaking was just pulling the spinner over some grass to kill time, and I got this chunk, man. I don't think it's gonna be my biggest of the day, but probably gonna go at least 15. Let's go. Let's go. Mantua Way is awesome, man. Awesome. Let's get this guy back. Oh yeah. Upgrades, people. Upgrades. Upgrades. Stay down. You stay the down. Oh yeah. Upgrades. Upgrades, people. Upgrades, people. Upgrades. We're gonna have upgrade, baby. You gotta stay down. Stay the f down. You stay down. Yes, baby. Yes. Man, spinner for the win again, man. Lord. Phone. Get your mouth closed, buddy. Stay down. Stay down. Oh yeah. Yep. We're hooked good too. We're hooked good. Yes, baby. Let's go, man. Hell yeah. I don't care. Here. Okay, where's my phone? This is not gonna do me any good. We are just killing it today, man. This is my fifth fish over 15 inches. Let's go, man. That could be the upgrade I've been looking for, baby. quite the upgrade.
In 7th place with 80 and a quarter and $75, Garrett Esplin.
All right, guys. So ended up finishing 7th overall, which was a lot better than I expected to finish, to be honest. My first ever kayak tournament, didn't really know what to expect. I had 2 practice days leading up to the tournament, and found some good numbers, but didn't really find any good scoreable fish to where I felt like I was gonna have a good chance of finishing in the top 10. But I was able to find a productive grass patch on the Friday before, and kind of just made that my game plan to go back there and try to find some of those fish I was finding in practice. And I was able to find 4 or 5 good fish just on that same grass patch. Just drop shot in and running a spinner over the top. But yeah, I'm really excited with the way I finished, and I can't wait to do more. Yeah, I mean, needless to say though, I'm hooked. I can't wait for the next one. I met a lot of really cool anglers out there. Thanks to Joe and KFU for putting it on, and we'll see you next time.